I got my spring Walmart beauty box, and today I'm going to unbox it with you. Because I haven't even taken off the plastic, I have no idea what's in here, and so we'll discover it together. How are you all doing? Is it spring where you are? I think it's finally spring here. Although winter was not happy about giving up. We had some really cold weather like just last week, and even just a couple of days ago. It starts out in the morning and it's okay, and then the wind turns around to the north again and it starts howling and blowing and it gets cold. Whew. I'm ready for warm weather to be here and stay here. Now, I know in a couple months I'm probably going to be complaining about how hot it is, but honestly, I would rather be hot than be cold. How about you? What's your preference? Let me know down in the comments. Would you rather be hot or cold? So the Walmart Beauty Box is a once a quarter box, and it's $6.98 delivered to your home. It's a pretty good deal. Generally, it is sample sizes, but occasionally you will get a full-size product. There's always a little card. This one says Beauty in Bloom, and it tells you the options of what you could get in your box. So let's see what I did get. Usually there's 5 products in there. I did have one box that was a full size of the curl pudding, and I only had 4 items in there. Some of the people in the comments said I should have contacted them because even then I should have still had 5, but I didn't. It wasn't really worth it to me. This time I have a travel size of the 72-hour degree advanced antiperspirant. And honestly, I don't use antiperspirants. I don't use deodorants with aluminum in them. So I have gotten this before and I just don't use it. So honestly, I think I may just take it to the theater and leave it there. I mean, sometimes when you're in the middle of a show, you realize you might need to re-up your deodorant. It happens. And then I didn't know that CeraVe made shampoo and conditioner, but apparently they do because I got a sample of the CeraVe Anti-Dandruff Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner. And I don't really have an issue with dandruff, but sometimes I do get kind of a little bit of dry scalp, like right up here in the front. Once a week or once every other week, I will use a scalp scrub to kind of try to loosen that dry skin and get rid of it. But I might add this in and try it and see if it helps to hydrate that hairline where I get some dry skin. And it does contain the parathione zinc. The conditioner has it at 0.5%. And the shampoo has it as 1%. So that's the active ingredient to help fight the dandruff flakes. I don't know. We'll see. A little sample of the Revolution Translucent Baking Powder. It looks almost like it might have a little bit of a pink tint to it. So it might be kind of brightening. And yeah, I'll definitely use that. I may decant this into a different container because these are a little bit hard to use, but I'm interested to try that. And then the last thing is this Nair Face and Bikini Wax Strips. And I don't really use wax strips, but I have considered them for my eyebrows because I get a whole bunch of tiny little hairs here. And I'm afraid to use the tinkle razors there because if I slip, I'm afraid I'm going to just whack off my eyebrows. And they're too fine to get with a tweezer. So I think I might actually try these. This one says it has orchid and cherry blossom extracts and leaves skin soft and smooth. So yeah, I'll definitely see how these go. Use them on my eyebrows. Some of the other things that you could have gotten in here are the CoverGirl Lash Blast Mascara and also the NYX Professional Makeup Glue Gripping Primer Face Glue. I would have liked to have gotten one of those. I think I've gotten 3, maybe 4 of these beauty boxes, and I haven't actually gotten a makeup product in one yet. I would really like it if instead of getting deodorant over and over and over that I don't use, I get one of these cool makeup products. Well, I guess this is a makeup product, so I take back what I said. I have gotten a makeup product. I don't get very many makeup products. And then there was also a Sally Hansen press-on nail set, and it said colors and styles may vary, and the shades of the mascara also might vary. So, I mean, maybe they would have given me like, purple or something that I wouldn't use. But it's just kind of a fun and really inexpensive way to get something in the mail, get something new, and a little bit of a surprise each month. If you get the Walmart Beauty Box, let me know down below. What's the best product you've gotten in one? I think for me, it was this Miss Jessie's Curly Pudding. This is obviously a full size, and when I let my hair go natural, I have a lot of natural curl. And so if I use product especially, I can really enhance that. It's kind of a purpley cream, but it smells really good, and it actually does a really good job defining and holding my natural curls. If you're new here, I'll see if I can find a picture of me with my curls, and I'll put it up here so you can see what I'm talking about. I tend to do that a lot more in the summer because I don't want to be bothered with heat styling my hair. I want it done in a hurry and get out the door and do whatever I'm going to be doing. So this takes a lot more work because I have to fight those curls. This was a snack size video. It's not going to be very long, so if you got a little bit more time, I will put another video here that you can go to and keep watching. I hope you have a beautiful, blessed day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.